Good morning, students. Welcome to your bio class. We will start our exercise of chapter number 2. Okay, students. So let's start our first question. Select the correct option. First, flowers enhance the process of students. Right, both of them. That means for pollination in plants and fertilization in plants. Both of them. This is the correct answer. Both of them. Okay. Now pollen grains are produced in the anther. Mark on anther, students. Next, gynoecium consists of first style, stigma and ovary. Style, stigma and ovary. Now come to fourth question. Calyx consists of students. Mark on sepals. Sepals. Next, transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is termed as pollination. Pollination. A dicot seed has, students, two cotyledons. Two cotyledons. A dicot seed germinates by students, its answer is apigeal germination. Apigeal germination. A, first point. Now the fusion of male cell with the female cell in the ovary is called fertilization. Next, pollen grains are produced. Now fill up, students. Pollen grains are produced in the anther. Second, all fruits are formed by the ovaries. Third, gynoecium consists of stigma and style. A brightly colored flowers are usually pollinated by dash insect. The part of a flower that gives rise to a seed is called dash ovule. Now come, students, to the third question. State if the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statement. First, the flower is transferred into a fruit. Students, write this as false. Now what is the correct statement? Cut this word flower and write here ovary. Cut the word flower and write there ovary. ovary. Ovary is transformed into a fruit. Now second, zygote is the result of fusion of male cell with the female cell. Write here true. Second is true. True. Now come to the third. Most flowers have colorful sepals. Students, write here false. Cut the word sepals and write their petals. 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 Most flowers have colorful petals. This is the correct statement. Now next, wind pollinated flowers produce pollen grains in a large quantity. Its answer is, students, true. Next, a stamen has long stalk called style. Students, this is false. Mark it as false. And cut the word here style and write filament. 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 And what is the correct statement? A stamen has long stalk called filament. Okay, students. Now come to match the following. Style, answer is, students, gynoecium. Stamen, answer is androecium. Fruit, ripen ovary. Then seed, ovule. Epicarp, outer skin of the fruit. 2, 1, 5, 3, 4. 2, 1, 5, 3, 4. Now students, come to next question. Choose the odd one out and give scientific reasons. Students, first, style, stigma, ovary and anther. Students, here you will write, first of all you will write this question. The first is style, stigma, ovary and anther. Then you will write, just choose the odd one here. Odd one is anther. Okay, and then in the next line you will write its scientific reason. So what is the reason? That right here, except anther, all the other parts are female reproductive parts. Second, calyx, corolla, androecium, stem. So mark on stem. And here also you write, except stem, all the others are the parts of flower. All the others are the parts of flower. Next, third, self-pollination, insect pollination, wind pollination and water pollination. So here you students, you write, underline or circle self-pollination. Right here, except self-pollination, all the other are the agents of pollination. All the other are the agents of pollination. Next, leaf, style, ovary and stigma. Circle students leaf. Here you write, except leaf, all the other are reproductive parts. All the others are reproductive parts. Next, sepals, petals, stigma and roots. Circle the roots students. Roots. Here you write, except root, all the others are the parts of shoot system. Are the parts of shoot system. Now students, come to give one word. First, it is the most attractive and colorful part of the plant. Students, writes its answer, petal. P-E-T-A-L-S, petals. Second, the female reproductive organ of the flower, gynoecium. G-Y-N-O-E-C-I-U-M, gynoecium. Third, a process by which a dormant seed develops into a seedling in the favorable conditions of air, water and warmth. Students, write here its answer, germination. Fourth, transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of a flower, pollination. Students, its answer is pollination. P-O-L-L-I-N-A-T-I-O-N, pollination. Now fifth, the male reproductive part of a plant, of a flower. Student, write here androecium. A-N-D-R-O-E-C-I-U-M, androecium. Sixth, a matured ripen ovary. Write here fruit. Its answer is fruit. The second role of a flower, write here corolla. C-O-R-O-L-L-A, corolla. The sweet, juicy and edible part of the fruit, write here mesocarp. M-E-S-O-C-A-R-P, mesocarp. Next, a process of fusion of a male cell with the female cell in flowers, Write here students, fertilization. Fertilization, fertilization, fertilization. Next, the outer thin and leathery part of a fruit. Student, write its answer, epicarp. EPICARP, epicarp. Thank you.